February 23rd, and we're back again for another countdown.
To my birthday.
Yeah, Pacie loves her birthday so much that we had to do a countdown because she would keep asking Mommy, how many more days to my birthday? How many more days to my birthday? So what a fun way to count down to her birthday, right guys?
Yay!
All right, Pacie, let's open today's surprise.
Okay, I want to open this one over here.
Okay. All right, go.
Who did I get? Texas!
You got Texas?
Yes, I did!
Okay, take them out of the bag. Let's make sure.
So we don't get it wrong again.
Yeah, like the last time. Oops! Yeehaw! Show it to your Pacie.
He's right here! He's right here! He's right here!
Oh, yes, you finally got Texas Brian. Alrighty, Pacers. This is Pacie, the little Texan, is happy that she got her home state where she was born, right, Pace?
Yes, before we leave, we'll just grab a few people that look like him.
Yes, we got 3 cowboy Ryans representing 3 different states. Yeehaw! Cool, right?
Yeah!
Alrighty, Pacers.
Thank you everyone watching our video. Bye bye. Deuces.